good morning students. I hope you are all completed your exams very well. And those are not completed the social class work, please come and submit to the school officer. And today class I am going to teach about the second term. The first lesson, the climate of our country. The first lesson, the climate of our country. So which is our country? Yes, India is our country. So can you say what is the meaning of weather? So weather is a day-to-day condition of atmosphere. It is not same in all the places. It's differ from one place to another place. Each day it's differ. The temperature may be increases and sometimes some temperature may decreases. And nowadays it's a rainy period started, isn't it? So these are the factors are called weathers and climate. And in our Indian countries there are three main seasons. There are three seasons we can see, and the first one the summer season, and the second one rainy season, and monsoon, and spring and autumn seasons. So these are the seasons present in our Indian country. And today class I am going to explain about the summer season. So during the summer seasons, how do you feel? So at the time we should wear we wear the cotton dresses because it started sweating. So our whole body started sweating. So we should at the time we should wear the cotton dresses and we should take an umbrella. So without umbrella we can't go outside. And we can wear the sunglasses and we should drink more water and cool items. So juices items and all we drink during the summer seasons, isn't it? So the summer is one of a season, and it is called hot season also. At the time we can receive some more temperature, isn't it? So the summer starts in India from the middle of March to till the end of June. So when it starts from the middle of the March and it ends to June. The month of June it ends. The month of May and June are very hottest month of a year. So which months are called very hottest months of year? So May and June. So these 2 months are called the very hottest month of a year. And during the summer period, the seasons is marked by longer days. So daytime very longer period, and the night time very shorter period. So during the summer time we can feel it. So morning full அப்படி இருக்கும், the daytime fully very long. So நம்ம கூட ஸ்கூல்ல உட்கார்ந்திருக்கும்போது we are during the school time. So we are thinking, isn't it? So the morning time எப்படா lunch bell அடிக்கும் சொல்லி நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருப்போம்? We should think it. So morning time எப்படி இருக்கும்? It's too long. Even the night it's very shorter. Okay va? So at the time the people visit hill station to escape the heat of the plains. So during the summer seasons it's very hot, isn't it? So at the time also it's our vacation because our exams also fully completed and annual leave also started. So we are going to outside and we visit some other hill stations. So hill stations are very cool places, isn't it? So we escaped from our houses and to visit the hill stations and cool places. So this is called a summer season. So dear students, so learn this topic. Okay, thank you.